Adam here. Today I'm comparing Brinks Home Security and ADT, two well-known names in professionally monitored home security. Before we dive in, I want to mention that there's a link in the first pinned comment and in the description to what I consider a better overall alternative. If you want to explore an option that brings together strong equipment and long-term value, that link is worth a look. Let's start with Brinks Home Security. Brinks appeals to homeowners who like a more personalized, hands-on installation experience. The system typically includes a touchscreen control panel that feels modern and easy to use, and the setup process is designed to make sure everything is placed correctly from day one. Brinks also focuses on clear service terms, which can be helpful if you like knowing exactly what you're getting over the long run. In terms of features, Brinks offers 24/7 professional monitoring, smart home options, and cellular backup, which are all important for reliable protection. Many homeowners appreciate that the structure of Brinks plans can help manage upfront costs while still delivering professional-grade equipment and monitoring. Overall, Brinks feels like a solid choice for people who want a guided setup and a straightforward security experience. ADT takes a more traditional premium approach. ADT is known for professional installation and a long-established monitoring network. Everything from installation to ongoing support is handled by trained professionals, which can be reassuring if you prefer a fully managed system. ADT's focus has always been on reliability and consistency, and that's a big reason it remains a popular choice. With ADT, longer-term service plans often allow customers to access high-quality equipment while keeping initial costs more predictable. The system is built around dependable monitoring and a structured experience, which works well for homeowners who want security handled for them without needing to make adjustments themselves. ADT also offers smart home integrations, so you can build a connected setup over time. When you compare Brinks and ADT, the choice really comes down to style and preference. Brinks leans toward a more personalized installation feel with a modern control panel and clear service structure. ADT leans toward a premium, well-established monitoring experience with professional support at every stage. Both offer professional monitoring, smart home options, and backup connectivity, so either one can be a strong option. This is also a good moment to bring up that better alternative again. Right in the middle of deciding between Brinks and ADT, clicking the link in the pinned comment or the description can help you see an option that often delivers a stronger overall balance of features, equipment quality, and long-term value. Neither Brinks nor ADT is a bad choice. Brinks works well for homeowners who like a more customized installation experience, while ADT is ideal for those who want a premium, fully managed system with a long track record. But depending on what you value most, there may be an option that checks more boxes overall. Before you make your final decision between Brinks and ADT, take a moment to check the link in the pinned comment and the description. That better alternative could end up being the smartest long-term choice for your home and your security needs.